Hi, Alge 2. Joko is just saying he needed some help with the notes from today, so I'm just going to help you guys out. By the way, you guys should have either printed this out or done it like by hand. Take the notes, follow along with Mr. Snelly with the video he gave you, and you'll be fine. But I wanted to quickly just help you guys out. So you are converting from degrees to radians. So when you do that, you're given the degree, and you multiply it by pi over 180. So an example that Mr. Snelly did in his video, we can just do right here. So we're going from degrees to radians. So let's just do the 48-degree example. So we have 48 degrees. To get it into radians, you multiply by pi over 180. When you do that, you just get 48 pi over 180. But we're not done yet because that can simplify. So we can divide that by 4. So we will get 12 pi over 45. But that can simplify even more. So let's divide by 3. We would get 4 pi over 15. Okay? So we were given 48 degrees and we wanted to know what it was in radians. So we multiplied by pi over 180. We simplified. We got 4 pi over 15. Okay? So if, let's do number 1 on the worksheet. So that's 700 degrees. So to get from degrees to radians, we multiply by pi over 180. So we would have 700 pi over 180, but we can simplify. So let's divide by 10. We would get 70 pi over 18. Okay, that can simplify more. Let's divide by 2. We would get 35 pi over 9. That can't simplify anymore, okay? So that's degrees to radians. When you're given the degree, you multiply the degree by pi over 180 and just simplify as much as you can. The radians into degrees, you take the radian you're given and you multiply by 180 over pi, okay? So an example from the notes, let's see, let's do 7 pi over 4. So when we do this, multiply by 180 over pi. Now right away, pi and pi cancels. 4 goes into 4 once. 4 goes into 180 45 times. So now you multiply 7 times 45 equals 315. 1 times 1 is 1. So we have 315 degrees. Okay? So an example from the homework. Let's do one from the other worksheet. Okay, number 1 on the other worksheet is negative 4 pi over 3. So to convert that in degrees, you multiply by 180 over pi. Simplify first, it makes it way easier. So pi and pi cancel. 180 divided by 3 is 60, right? So 3 goes into 3 once, 3 goes into 180 60 times. So we have negative 4 times 60. Which is negative 240, right? Over 1 times 1. So we have negative 240 degrees. So just to recap really quick, getting from radians to degrees, right? Radians to degrees, you multiply by 180 over pi. Degrees to radians, you multiply by pi over 180. Okay? Let me know if you guys have any other questions, but that's the gist to get you guys done with the 2 worksheets, okay? Hope you guys are doing well. See you later.